Good morning. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. We are on a VPS now, which is nice. You can see here in the command prompt, we have less than 1 millisecond latency to the Rhythmic server. Very nice. I probably should have pulled the trigger on a VPS a long time ago. And the speed test, internet speed, is absurd. Very absurd. Very, very absurd internet speeds, which I didn't know was like, but good news, you know, I can use it on my MacBook now, so when I'm traveling, I can still potentially live stream and stuff for you guys, so should be good. Full peg. But so good stuff there. We do have SBS set up. We are running sim today because it's NFP today. NFP just happened here. And we can see the total move from the low to the high from the news basically was 70 points. It's actually not that much, but it's still going to cause a lot of volatility today. So we are on sim. For L2, I don't care as much about. Well, I mean, like, I don't care if I run a PA. You can check NQ Trader last night. Again, I didn't run it because of NFP. Don't think it would have taken a trade. And see, yeah, so 2 losses last night on NQ Trader. Or no, sorry, 1 loss and 1 win. So you'd be down like 250, 300. Which is why I didn't turn it on. And and go open up. The only thing I don't like about this is this tab up here. Did my stuff not save? Or no, I'm on NQ. I don't want to be on NQ, I want to be on ES. Sorry. Okay. Should be set up on ES, so. I'm just gonna turn off the, I had to recreate all my stuff last night, so I'm gonna turn off the grid lines. Much better. Let me save that. I'm not sure how much a VPS will really help with limit order stuff. We're gonna run the settings we were profitable on yesterday on the PA account today. NFP day, I'm not expecting a good day today, but we're gonna do it anyway. Also, this is in Central Time. I'm gonna change that. I have to change that. Interesting. Could be why I was doing some playback yesterday. I was like, seems off. I am not Central Time. What did it say I had to restart? I'll probably restart just in case. Eastern Time. Let me restart this. Oh, it's Eastern because it's in Chicago. Let me save this. Date and time settings. Eastern Time. Okay. I do like the VPS. I got a Breeze host, $90 a month subscription. I do have an affiliate thing with them. The speed, less than 1. I'll show you. It's very exciting. Very exciting. I decided to just copy it, make a folder. Yeah, less than 1 millisecond to rhythmic. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Yeah. Morning Peachy. Gonna load up SBS here. I'm running sim today on SBS. Otherwise, default settings per usual. Default settings. Yep. And on L2, we are going to run the Cody settings that we ran yesterday only on the PA account. So a lot of pressure on Cody because, you know, if we do bad today, it is going to be his fault. So all good there. Limits 0.3. Counter spoof 2.5422. We're not going to use trespass today, and considering we're not going to use trespass, it'll probably go like 5-0, but we're not going to use trespass. And we're going to do high risk. High risk. We're going to put it on our PA 15 because that's what we've been running on. Enabled. I hope so. I hope so. It is NFP today though, so obviously NFP already happened, but I don't expect it to be a good day. I really don't. NQ Trader had 1 loss, 1 win last night. SBS, you know, I have no idea how that's gonna do. Might pop off. It's been basically flawless every day this week for me. I know some people yesterday had some different trades. We explained why that occurs, and we're still working out an occasional bug, but I haven't experienced, most people haven't experienced a bug since the update, but a few people have, so still got a little bit of tuning, but it's been working pretty much how it should, which is good. Update for that will be coming out sometime next week is the plan. A lot more user customization on that update. You can choose your risk reward you want. You can choose to scale out at certain fib levels and some other cool jazz. So we'll turn that off. I think I changed these. So we're running 4 contracts, Dex array defaults, and then counter spoof defaults. Should be good. We are back down to 246 on this count, which is right where we started. So we haven't made anything on the PA so far. This other PA, that's our NQ Trader account, which should be up more than it is, but I've been, you know, whenever I leave for a few days, I don't turn it on because I'm not home. That should be up a little more, but still up 6K on that account. Connor's going live at 6:45 a.m. So 9:45 this morning. Great. There goes all my viewers. Come on. We'll battle Connor this morning. We'll battle Connor. Who do you think's gonna win? So, Connor, always a stream more useful watching. Appreciate it. so zoomed in. Drag the numbers like this. What do you mean? Drag these. Or drag this. I think Apex 80% is gone. Let me check. Yep, sure is. Let's do the WAP wheel spin. Yeah, I'm curious to see how a VPS impacts us, especially with limit orders. You know, I'm not sure how that will affect us. I feel like it won't really. Like it'll probably perform the same, I would assume. So with market orders and stuff, maybe a little different, but I'm not sure. I have no idea. And we're still not on a live account. If we were on a live account, yeah, maybe it would definitely perform a little different, but come on, man, give me a win on something. I never win. You know, I got invited by WAP to join their WAP University founders. Be a founder of WAP University, but I don't think I want to do it. Funky compared to the main chart? Extremely zoomed in. Yeah, it gets you in the queue faster. Yeah, I agree, but I mean, yeah, I agree. It might get us in, you know, 20-30 milliseconds faster. So it might fill us when, you know, fill the limit when the non-VPS doesn't fill the limit or something. I mean, it still should help somewhat. I'm just not sure how much. It could be something in your data series. Bar width. Could be bar width, could be visuals here, something in the visuals. Oh, wait. You guys are gonna have, if you're using Apex, you need to purchase level 2 data again. It's a new month. So you have to purchase it again. I don't think I have an error telling me that, but if you get your thing through Apex, then you need to repurchase. So make sure you guys do that. I just purchased it, as I just said that, but I'm not getting a pop-up that says level 2 not counted. So I'm gonna restart my Rhythmic here. I'll give it a minute, and then I'm gonna restart my Rhythmic. So yeah, purchased this morning. It's like, why is that not working? So yeah, make sure you guys rebuy the Rhythmic data from Apex. $10 a month. I love how fast everything boots up to Rhythmic, because Less than 1 ms, right? Give it just a minute here. Should automatically activate, but just in case. Look at that, instantly boots. That is nice. Alright, we should be good. Did we automatically reconnect? Oh, we did. Nice. Did I have to configure the VPS to your Rhythmic? I don't know what you mean. When I got the VPS last night, it's basically just a blank computer, and you have to re-download Administrator, re-download Rhythmic, import all your stuff into them. So it works just like a normal computer. Just yeah. Just yeah. There no sound on a VPS? That makes sense. Alright, I think we're good. I think we're good. I think we're good. So there's our account. Basically flat since we've been L2ing. Because we had a big day. Yesterday was a losing day, which doesn't happen often for us, but doesn't seem to happen too often. Again, if we are red today, it's Cody's fault. It's not our fault because we're using his settings. So, well, obviously it's a little bit of a mixture of mine and Cody's, but these are mainly Cody's. So, if we are red, it is his fault. So, yes, way faster. I don't know. I have no idea. I'm not experienced in that field. But that would be not till next week though. The Fed rates decision. Hopefully, should I restart again for my Rhythmic? It says you should restart your Rhythmic after 5 minutes. And I only bought it 5 minutes ago now. I think it's fine. I'm not getting any pop-ups, so. We are going to enable it right on the open again, which I know is a bad idea. I know it. I really do, but again, we're going to do it anyway. How is everyone else doing in here this morning? Ooh, Formula 1 is on today. What time? 1:30 and 2:30. Morning, Justin. How's it going? We got about 6 minutes. Not a ton of people in here today, which is a good thing. That means people are taking NFP day off, which is always a good thing. Alrighty, we got 2.5 minutes. Alright, we got 1 minute. Let's hope for a good morning, folks. Fingers crossed. It's NFP day. NFP day, so again, I'm not expecting a good day. But we can hope, right? We can hope, so I'm just hoping we don't ruin an account. But again, I'm making my own decisions, so. But this BA account we're using as a sim account, so all good at the end of the day. Counter spoof dex ray only, high risk, high reward, right? 5 seconds. And on. Again, NFP day, right? Missed it. I think that was a something. That was a something. I'm not sure. It was a long. That actually would have won. Immediate trespass loss. I had that yesterday. So that whatever that long was would have won, but we did not get the fill there. So what was it? Let me see. Instant dex ray loss. That's a good start to the day. A really, really good start to the day. Another missed trade. And that would have won as well. That dex ray was... That was not great. If we had the tick offset to 3, how Connor has it, I think that would have actually won. We would have got filled at 61.25. Stop would be at 60. Still would have gotten stopped, actually. So NFP day, I'm expecting badness, and it is starting really bad. I'll share the settings in a little bit. They're in the Discord, though. I shared them at the beginning of the stream. Uh-oh, we're at a high day. not off to a good start, guys. NFP. We're already down 850 with the settings that we were up. So it looks like today we are going to blow the account. We have 2,000 of room. I don't know if we're coming back from this, so. It's only been 3 minutes. So maybe we should have just disarmed the first 5 minutes. This is gonna come back tag us for a loss as well. Yes, it is. Nice. So really good start so far. We have we only have $1,000 of room left. So yeah, we're probably gonna blow the account at this rate, so. It's been 3 minutes. Every trade we've gotten has been a loser. For the most part, it's default settings. For the most part. I changed like one number, but we have a 0% win rate today. You can see. Dexray down 300, counter spoof is down 650. This is a PA, AP, but it's like a PA account that I'm using as a sim account because it's it was close to blowing anyway, so. And I haven't traded it in like 3 months, so I just decided let's just throw it on. So I'm using the same setup as yesterday. Another missed counter spoof win. We've had like 3 missed wins so far. Yeah, same settings yesterday that made us like $1,700 in the first hour, and we're down $1,000 in 5 minutes. So. Interesting. Somehow Brett is up. What? Somehow Brett's up $3,700 on ES so far. Interesting. He's using no microcongruity. 4 contracts. Interesting. Very interesting. Take a picture of that, I guess. Well, we are messing with settings a little bit, right? But he's now up $4,500 on 4 contracts. Maybe we're doing something wrong here. Maybe we shouldn't have microcongruity on. So really, really not good start for us today. Looks like SBS took a trade. Took a long here at 79 and trailed us out for a small gain. Good entry though. He has multiple linked to the same sim, does he? I don't think so. Maybe, I guess, I don't know. Yeah, same settings as yesterday though for us, where we were up 1,700 bucks. It's weird how that can change so much day to day, right? Yeah, AP. I have it at 8:32 Central. Interesting. Interesting, yeah. Are we gonna get a win? Or not? Nope. Doing us dirty. Doing us very dirty. Wow. Yikes. We are 0 for what? 6? 0 for 5? And again, these are the settings here. Dex ray at the same price. 0.3 for the limit, same as yesterday. Counter spoof, base all default. We just changed one of this 2. It was like 2.5. We changed it to 2. Dex ray defaults, just changed this to 1 instead of 2. And then default micro congruity and default microstructure as well. So five charts at once, gotcha. Still impressive though. Maybe we shouldn't have trusted counter spoof so much after one day. Because Dex ray we're only down 300, so we're down basically $1,000 on counter spoof. Bro, you're not gonna do that. You're not gonna do that to me. You are gonna do that. What is going on? Oh, you know what I did forget? I should have this here as well. Because I forgot I changed my Dexray ATM to have them both go up there. Let me change that right now. I have the both at the Dexray. Yes. Which one is this? Why is there 2? Oh, wait, what? 5-1. 5-1. Not a good start for us today. Dex Ray, we're down 150, but counter spoof, we're down 900. There's no shot trespass your 405. Oh my gosh, I knew it. I knew I said I goes turn trespass off today, and it's gonna do really well. Breeze host VPS Scotty. Not looking good here, a lot of sellers. Looks like it wants to lose, so it does. Nice. What a atrocious day for us. As expected with NFP, but this is a little more atrocious than I thought. So Dex Array is down 425. I don't know if we can come back from this, guys. I don't know. We'd need a world of luck from here. And this, if it taps us out, is not luck. It's one tick, stopped. Sheesh. Counter spoof, we're down 900. Whew. Not good for us today. That's alright. Yeah, this is really terrible today. I don't know how you guys are doing. This is why I don't trade NFP. Right here. We are just losing. We have maybe one or two first target Dex Rays. How am I losing? Couldn't tell you. Same settings as yesterday. The only difference is a VPS versus a non-VPS. So, are you using these settings, Curtis? Brett and Connor's stream saying $4,000 on the ES template, but I just looked and his ES settings are completely different than the regular ES template. So I don't know why he's saying ES template, because it's not. I've lost every trade today, Curtis, just about, so. Yeah, I'll have to look at market decoy. Yeah, I think so. I don't know why we're getting so many trades today. We did not get this many trades yesterday. I don't know, does this have something to do with VPS or something? Terrible. Just stopping us out all the time. Dex rate, we're down 675. Counter spoof, we're down 900. Yesterday on the BA account. Oh, because I reinstalled. I'm on a VPS, so it's not going to show the data. Okay. I think Connor ignored my what I just told him. I told him I was up 1700 yesterday, and now I'm down 1600. You're up about 400 with Connor settings. Interesting. Well, good to know. I was using the settings that did really, really well yesterday, so I don't know why it would flip so hard. Or sorry, that it yeah, it did really well yesterday. We're really close to blowing the account though. We have our account balance is 244,425, and we basically we have 2 more losses until we lose the account. So really, really good day, but really good day.
We get into a long position. It is a limit order. Let's see here. We got filled into a long position here.
He changes it every day. Why is he on? He's on different settings again. Different settings again.
It's our automatic stop chase. That is a good sign.
Target filled.
There we go. Up 229 on the day right now. Here, let's pull up our executions feed as well. Got filled into another long position.
I mean, thing is, for the most part,
that, but we'll see how this goes.
For the most part, we're default settings. Like, for the most part. And Connor is not default settings at all. Which is just, you know. He always was saying on the previous streams he was using defaults, like the regular defaults.
You guys need my settings? You can just pause the video and go back. Our automatic stop chase, that's a good sign. Unfortunately, ended up losing the trade. Earlier today, I was trading on my live account. If we switch to that, you can see it here.
Are you using, Cody, are you using Connor's, or one contract? Interesting. Yeah, I'm doing terrible today, so we look at the graph here. These settings did really well yesterday, so it's a shame. Analysis, buy trade, just lost like just about every trade. One con, Cody. Nice, 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 nice. Yeah, these settings are tooting today. Tooting the wrong direction. For me. Oh, we haven't won a counter spoof today, so we'll see what happens here.
Let's see if we can end up getting filled in.
If we lose this trade, we have about one more loss till the account's gone. Yeah, I don't know. The only thing that's changed is it is NFP day. So I usually wouldn't trade NFP day anyway. I'm just doing it because why not?
Are looking way off. Looking for some clarity with that.
And I have a VPS. So counter spoof has lost every trade today. We have now one more loss until the account's gone. So one more trade. We'll see. We have lost every trade today. We've only hit deck or counter spoof. We have 0% win rate. Dex ray we have 44% win rate, but that only hit first target. So.
Gotcha. They're 3 ticks away.
Nice.
Wow, so unfortunate there. It's like when we switch to an Apex account, things stop working. That's just awesome.
Connor's getting frustrated that he's losing on an Apex account. Now he knows how we all feel. Peachy, what are your settings? Did you mind? I know you said market decoy, but
you can see there that spoofer's already gone. That was a market order. We likely would have won that one. That spoofer disappeared, so we evacuated that before we even got filled.
No worries, Peachy.
Really surprised that the market has slowed down this much immediately right after market open. I mean, this is some perfect movement back here, but I mean... Yeah, all the placements and removals are being done automatically, Captain Crunk. I think we'll stop trading until news. I think we might have to pause here.
Stop trading till news. It's just PMI.
Target fell.
There we go. We ended up winning that trade though, up to 354. We'll wait. We'll stop trading 1 minute before news.
Counter spoof. Once we lose the next trade and lose the account, then I'll switch them up. Counter spoof 2.2, depth 5.22, so not too much different. Trespass 2.2.
Yeah, same here. Jose.
5.
On my live account.
5. That's again not too much different.
I'm up to 1700, but on my Apex account, struggling just a little bit. But let's see, we got still 2 minutes. Hey March Rem, I have an account or a setup guide on my YouTube channel. I just posted it. It's 2 minutes long. That's quite literally all you need to do to set this thing up. You just load it with that. It comes with the template. But yeah, you run an executable file which installs
Next
everything for
10.10.2.
you and allows us to set everything up for you instead of having to go through all of that. But yeah, it's very plug and play.
What about the bars loaded
Yeah, it feels like it.
and the
Supremacy is the way, but man,
risk tolerance modes, number of bars for machine learning?
ridiculous. Why am I still trading for news?
Connor's getting angry. He's down 700.
Yeah, we're gonna wait here until
Gotcha.
noon.
Risk tolerance 0.4. Okay. About days loaded, I think that's about it. And machine or number of bars for machine learning. Really? Tradeify? I have to try it out. Interesting. Why is it not filling us there? Okay, so this is the last trade on the account if it loses, so. Okay, so it lost. So now we have $50 on the account. Let's see. 50 bucks. A really good day, guys. Okay, count's gone.
All right.
There you go.
Run it on now.
Count is gone.
We're gonna turn trespass on as well.
Okay, so the account's completely blown. Minus 2,000.
Level at 59 or 57.
Now let's turn this off here. Cody, I'm trashing your settings, by the way. So that was absolutely atrocious. We lost just about every single trade. So let's do this. 2-4. Counter spoof.
You just asked for my settings there.
2.2522. Trespass 2.25. 2.5. Dex 10.10.2.
So trespass trade here.
Risk tolerance 0.4.
Target filled.
There we go. Ended up winning that one.
Microcommunity 0.65. Bias 0.65. 8 range. Bars loaded 1500. Peachy, what about this? The number of bars for machine learning.
Target filled.
Ended up winning that one as well, up to 229. Kind of in a hole here, which is really too bad. But...
Also, shout out James in the chat. Was busy yesterday at work, only needed 300 to pass eval. Glad to say SBS has passed first eval account. Starting another eval account on Monday.
Even in terms of trades, but...
Awesome, awesome, awesome. 1200? Okay.
Hey Brett, I will look into that.
I have to create another sim
Also,
account.
guys, affiliate payout should go out today.
Add simulation L2. Peachy, does he use the micro congruity or no?
A lot of counter spoof signals, but none of them get filled.
Yes.
Wow, terrible fill there.
Connor's really struggling. Yeah, he did at the beginning.
Hey, Alpha Trading, there should be an 8 range chart default on the newest template. On R26. The R26 installer uses the newest template.
Target filled.
Ended up winning that one, only down 104 now. Looks like market is
Come on. I have level 2.
really interesting movement right now.
Or do I need to restart Rhythmic? Is that why everything was busted today?
Target filled.
There we go. Finally green on the day, up 120. Kind of psyching myself out here just because I've been doing well on a live account for so long. So immediately switching to Apex was feeling a little bit more
Like
pressure,
what?
especially just because that
Oh,
trading on
one
an
minute.
Apex account, you have to deal with that trailing drawdown, and I'm not used to trading on a small account size like that.
Well, we blew the account, so there we go. Peachy, it'll still execute, but
What a minimal loss there. Hey Eric, those sounds are from Star Citizen. I can post them after this.
what was I gonna say?
I was gonna post them
Medium
yesterday.
risk or high risk or what, Peachy? Funny, no one watches the live stream when L2 does not perform. Alright, okay. I'll try it.
AXP, that is a good idea. CL and YM are great with this strategy, but again, running it overnight to see
How do I get sound
which
on
instruments
this?
to trade on shouldn't really be necessary.
Trespass missed. How do I get sound on this? Activate Windows? How do I activate Windows? Anyone know? Settings. Trespass trade. Winner. Anyone know how to activate Windows?
Tons of counter spoof stuff there. We should have been winning all of those, but we just didn't get put into any of them because our limit order offset seems a bit high.
Up 900 right now. Awesome. I don't know how many contracts, Peachy.
Absolutely crazy that we're missing all those trades. Absolutely crazy. We just missed out on that giant movement upwards.
Of course, now that the news is done,
Wow, that's incredible.
is there any way to activate Windows? Four contracts? Gotcha. Loss.
That's crazy. We should have won that trade. That
Connor's
was
down
absolutely insane.
$500. Futures Odyssey is up
Curtis James said,
$2,400.
important difference between this and SBS. You'll not have 100 people running this with 100 different results. Hey guys, say in chat if you guys are using the same settings, you're getting the same fills as me, because there should be no difference. Appreciate the heckling though, Curtis. Always nice. But again, you're factually incorrect.
Hey, go easy, Curtis.
Yeah,
Go easy,
absolutely,
Curtis.
Michael. Just shoot us an email and we'll set it up for you. Eddie, make sure you're using the same settings as this. You should be getting the same fills. There should be no reason otherwise. Yeah, Curtis, it actually isn't going to be an issue with these settings, though. You will get the same fills.
Easy, Curtis. Easy. Easy, easy. Hey, you're gonna get me in trouble here, Curtis. Yeah.
Target filled. Target filled.
And welcome to this video. Today is
Limit orders do improve
20th
our
of October 2024,
bill resolution.
and
so,
in this video I'm going to do
really
a quick overview of the SBS strategy, or it's called also breakout sequence.
Hey, Train and Trade. So Sierra Link is our Oh, no problem, Curtis.
You won that trade? Interesting.
So Sierra Link is our VPS service. So we offer solutions where we have servers right next to the exchange, so you can get super low latency. You can run the
Yeah, the only
strategy
thing that's changed
on
today is
that
I
machine,
have
so
a
it doesn't matter
VPS.
what your latency is from wherever you are in the world. You'll have the strategy running parallel with the exchange. So you'll get extremely fast fills, very low latency, and the only latency you'll have is when you're controlling the scanners. So let's say you have a 300 millisecond latency because you're in Australia or something. It would take 300 milliseconds for you to, let's say, turn off concordant or turn it back on. But the actual strategy itself would be running on the server. So all of the trading logic that would be happening would be very, very quick. Just got a Dex Array trade here, first one of the day. Yeah, seems like Brett did pretty good today, huh? So crazy how I feel like I have a knack for anytime I'm trading live on a PA account. Just all the volatility goes down.
Yeah, let's see.
Wow, Brett did 5,100 on ES today. That's insane. That's insane. Great job today. Micro probability would have not taken that trade if we had that enabled, but so unfortunate. You saw we had a very strong long bias
Yeah, we'll
there.
see.
We still got filled because
Similar,
we don't
yeah.
have micro congruity on.
Connor's down. How much? $800? Am I reading that right? Yeah, down 800.
Hey Nate, microcongruity isn't on because everyone wants to get the same trades as me. So if this is on, everyone has their own ML model. So nobody gets those trades. Hey Tom, yeah, absolutely. We do have a playlist where you can get started from the beginning. Everything is included with purchase on how to actually set it up and everything and how to use it. But this is our playlist right now where you can read about just watch how the software works. Just one tick up. That would have been nice if we got filled there. It's just
Target
right
filled.
there. Okay, so we finally won a trade on counter spoof. That's been nice. I mean, we won 10 trades before market open on that, or at market open with that, but a little bit inconsistent. Hey, Moneymaker. Yeah, so it does not require its own app for collection of data, as it trains it every single time you load the strategy. That's why it can take a little bit longer to load the strategy sometimes. It takes around 20 seconds after you click enable for it to train the model. But yeah. I believe Market Decoy is using his own settings. They are. I saw them on his YouTube channel.
Yeah, I'm gonna step out as well. Let's just turn microcongruity off.
Target filled.
Hey Tom, yeah, so this whole time I have not been doing anything. Everything you're seeing has been completely automated. Hey Matt, you said how much does the micro routing affect results? I'm assuming you're talking about the micro contracts. The liquidity on micro contracts is quite good, and the market's pretty efficient, so I don't think there should be any differences. Now, you need to run a side-by-side on fill rate in terms of limit orders, but if you're running on market orders, there should not be a difference. Hey Scott, that's very nice of you. Thank you. Appreciate that, and I'll forward that to Peter. I'm glad he's been super helpful to you. Hey Boomer Lois, he said if I get Azimuth but do not use Sierra Link or another VPS, does that negate the effectiveness of Azimuth? So that's really going to depend on your VPS, or on how good your latency is. If you run
Alright guys,
that
well,
latency
I'm
test,
gonna end the live stream early because I need to go do a little bit of work. But have a good rest of your day. Have a good weekend. We'll come back next week. All be good. So have a good one, guys. I'll see you later.